Today, we're unlocking the secret power of pumpkin leaf juice, a natural poultry booster that works like a multivitamin for chickens. It's packed with proteins, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that help your birds grow faster, stay healthier, and lay more eggs. Whether you raise broilers for quick market weight or layers for consistent egg production, this one ingredient could change your farm's results in just weeks. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I'd love to know which part of the world my fellow farmers are tuning in from. Pumpkin leaves are something most people overlook. In many places, they're even thrown away as farm waste. But to a poultry farmer who knows their value, they are green gold. These leaves contain proteins, which are the building blocks of muscle and feathers, amino acids like leucine, valine, and lysine, essential for muscle growth, immunity, and overall performance. Fatty acids that provide energy, improve skin and feather health, and support metabolism. Vitamins A, C, and E, antioxidants that fight stress and keep your birds healthy. Minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron for bone health, eggshell strength, and blood production. Example, imagine you have a flock of 100 broilers. With standard feed, they might take 7 weeks to reach market weight. With pumpkin leaf juice, you could shave a few days off, meaning faster turnover and less feed cost. Benefits for broilers. 1. Better appetite. Broilers love the slightly sweet, fresh taste of pumpkin leaf juice in their water. This encourages them to drink more, which in turn helps them eat more feed. 2. Faster weight gain. Because they eat more and digest better, they reach target weight faster. A study showed that broilers given pumpkin leaf extract had up to 12% higher body weight than those without it.
Healthier guts. The juice contains compounds that protect the gut lining and stimulate digestive enzymes. That means better feed conversion. 4. Lower mortality rate. Stronger immune systems mean fewer deaths from common poultry diseases. Benefits for layers. 1. Higher egg production. Pumpkin leaf juice can increase laying percentage by 5 to 6%. That's several extra eggs per hen per month. 2. Stronger egg shells. The calcium and potassium make the shells harder, reducing breakage during handling and transport. 3. Bigger eggs. Extra nutrients mean more yolk and albumin production, so your eggs are bigger and more appealing to customers. 4. Longer laying period. Healthier birds keep laying at a high rate for longer. Myths versus facts. Myth: pumpkin leaves are only good as human vegetables. Fact: they are just as beneficial, if not more, for poultry because of their nutrient density. Myth: if I get pumpkin leaves, I can stop feeding commercial feed. Fact: pumpkin leaf juice is a supplement, not a complete feed. It works best alongside balanced poultry feed. How to prepare pumpkin leaf juice. 1. Select fresh, green pumpkin leaves. Avoid yellowing or diseased leaves. 2. Wash thoroughly to remove dirt and pesticides. 3. Chop into small pieces. This makes blending easier. 4. Blend with clean water. Use just enough to make blending smooth. 5. Strain through a clean cloth. Squeeze out the bright green juice. Dosage. Broilers: 80 milliliters of juice per liter of drinking water, 2 to 3 times a week. Layers: 120 milliliters of juice per liter of drinking water, 2 to 3 times a week. Tip: give the juice early in the morning when birds are most active and thirsty. If birds refuse the juice, dilute it more and gradually increase the concentration. Always use fresh juice. It spoils quickly. Prepare just enough for one day. If you notice any diarrhea, reduce frequency to once or twice a week. Extra tips for maximum results. Combine pumpkin leaf juice with other natural boosters like garlic extract or aloe vera. Rotate natural supplements to prevent tolerance. Keep birds stress-free. Supplements work best on healthy, relaxed birds. If you stayed with me this far, I know you're a dedicated farmer who wants real results. I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Share in the comments so we can connect farmers from all over the world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another tip that can transform your poultry farm. And right now, click on the video on your screen to learn the top 4 natural egg boosters and broiler fatteners you can start using today.